Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is about a little past 10 and it is Tuesday today, okay? Today is Tuesday. I'm actually waiting on a smoothie drink. Actually, it's a smoothie juice and it's coming from Vitality Bowl. Somewhere near here. I'm getting it from Uber Eats. But in the meantime, I want to show you guys what I've been getting this week. I'm so excited for a palette that I just received. All right, so here is everything. Well, most of the things that I've been purchasing. It's not a lot, but it was like a lot of jewelry type of pieces. Some things I won't be able to show because my baby girls wore them to school, which is like earrings, butterfly clips for the hair. So yeah, so pretty much this is what I'll just show you guys what I did not like open up. All right, guys, so my Vitality Bowl juicing drink has got here. But look at this. Oh, I want some of one of these. Don't these look good, y'all? From the Vitality Bowl. We try to be healthy this morning. You know, just try to get a little healthy in. And, you know, these look too good. This Vitality Bowl looks super good. And then this is the fruit bowl. I want some of this, the fruit bowl. So now, let's try mine. Let's see how it is. Okay, this ain't working. Okay, there we go. Let's taste it. Oh, you guys, I was getting ready to do a shorts video, as you can see. And I was going to show this. I was going to do a shorts video, or maybe I put up on TikTok, but I was really wanted to do it for YouTube shorts. It smells so good. This is like cinnamon, I believe, and amber. Yeah, cinnamon and amber. I was showing it on my Snapchat the other day. This is a brand new one from Dove. It is the vanilla and cocoa butter. And then, of course, Kayali vanilla. So I wanted to do a little YouTube shorts. Anyway, let's get back to the to the subject at hand, okay? Let's see what they do. It kind of reminds me of like honey. That's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of like honey. I can taste that kale. You kind of have like a honey maple. That's what it has. It has like a maple taste. It's not bad. I'm glad that it's still sweet. It's not bad. But it doesn't taste like when I juice at home. It looks like, it don't look like you really, really want it, but it's not bad. All right, you guys, everything in this box did not come in here. Like, I have stuff that I bought from the 99-cent store. Like, these are some things. What are these? Felt stickers, okay? So I want to actually put these into my baby girl's Easter basket. And I love the baskets that I found. I found them at Ross. I'll show them to you guys a little later. But anyway, you guys, I got this package right here already pretty much ripped up. And I got it from this place called Cider. Okay, shopcider.com. I found them on Instagram. All right, you guys, so I have you set up on the stand so that you can actually see everything officially. All right, you guys, I'm just pulling them all right there so y'all can see everything. Look how cute. These definitely can be worn on a nice vacation. They're really pretty. Look at that detail. So pretty. Oh, this is like a 3. Okay. Oh, cute. That's really cute. Okay. Really heavy too. So I have a longer one. So I'm assuming you would wear these like this. And then here's the thinner one that probably would be more of a choker style. You can also even make them into anklets. That's what I would do. But I like them also like this. I think this way is so cute. I probably would wear this one the shortest. Maybe this one in the middle. Maybe I think I have some charms too to put on here. I think I will put some charms here. But it's really cute though. It's really, really nice. Very cute. I believe this is like a bracelet. Oh, this is like a charm bracelet. Also, it can be used as an anklet too. And look at them. Very cute. Has a little eye. Very, very cute. All those charms. I love it. So these are so cute. Look at them. Look at the detail. Very cute. This is like a faux like velvet. Very, very cute. Nice little detail to these ones too. I love them. But these are very, very cute for spring, for summer. Very cute. I need to come up here. Oh, I accidentally bought two. I must have accidentally put two pair in there. Ooh, this one is pretty. This one is very cute. It's like a double. Is it two? Why did it tangle? Oh, not the tangulation, child. Okay, so I thought this was cute. I think I might give these to my baby girl. They look a little more like, more adolescent style. So I might give this one to my baby girl as well. But they're cute though, right? The little cute charm. Yes, so they are cute. I'm excited about these. So yeah, I think some of this jewelry I was buying for them. This way I'm looking at this, I think I did buy this for them. Okay. Oh, and I got this from Dollar General. Just to try out some nails on my baby girls and also for myself too. I want to try these colors together. All right, guys, so I got a bar soap, a black bar soap. What is it called again? It's called the Midnight Silk Beauty Bar by Mela Cosmetics. It smells very like minty. So I have this Sephora package. I have another Sephora package on the way. As well as the new Norvina. Oh, you guys don't worry about my little lashes sitting over there. Let's see. Why is this open? Like why is this open? Come on. Come on, Sephora. But anyway, you guys, this is the new... Oh, I'm excited. This is the new Tasha Denona palette. I'm excited about the colors. Everything else that I feel about it, you will find out on my channel. All right, you guys, so yes, this is the Gwen Stefani brand. Oh, I'm excited to use her new Line It Up 24-hour gel pencil eyeliner. And I got the color... What color is this? It's a blue color. Bath water. Oh, wow. Thanks, Gwen Stefani, for that one. And then this is Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede, his Cozy Lip Cream. And this is in the color Miss Mauve, okay? I'm getting ready to throw on some clothes. I need to run out, run some errands, and I will check you guys out a little bit later. Peace. Hey, guys, I am back. All right, guys, I'm kind of, I was actually doing my makeup. I ended up using the primer base. I also went in with a little bit of Dominique Cosmetics, as usual. The Dominique Blur and Moisturizer. Oh, speaking of her, she has a new palette coming out, and so I cannot wait till it gets here. I ended up using those three things pretty much as a primer base, but pretty much after I did my facial routine. So I used a few things from two things from the Skin by Lori Harvey, the eye cream, and also the toner. Those are my two favorite things from her. And then I used a little bit of the Tatcha skin cream, just to, kind of like give me some sheen, and a vitamin C serum. So I have a lot of things on today before I started my makeup. But I want to keep my makeup pretty neutral, not too much. I'm going to put on lashes. Okay, here's my Huda Beauty, of course, mirror. As you see, so you guys see my little messy table. Okay, so, but I'm going to go in with the Nars Light Reflecting powder and just kind of go under my eye. Just because I feel like I'm not going to put any concealer. I was going to put some Fenty concealer on. I actually was. But now that I'm putting this on, I kind of feel like I don't want to. Let's see how this is going to do me today. This is the Brow Pen by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color dark brown. My eyebrows here, they're starting to grow back. And I actually like when they grow back in. I really don't like to clean them up. But every now and then I'm like, okay, I have to do the right thing and get these brows together. I have too much hair there, but it grows in so fine that it blends when I do this brow pen. So I'll have those hairs there, and then when I start to do this, It all blends really good together. I just need to brush it in. Oh, I can't find my other one that I had. Here it is. It's the Luxie 201 Brow and Lash Brush. Okay, while I finish up these brows, I'm turning on Rain. I have my password on, so then it just takes a while. But I like to go more up here when I'm just having like a lazy brow day. I like to really define that front.
It was discovered that you and I were intimate. How? I don't know.
Ain't feeling her.
Perhaps a servant whispered to another, but the source hardly matters. Once it got in the air, I was ruined. I'm so ashamed.
Because I always like clean up right here. And then I keep the top a little bit like undone, if that makes any sense, to kind of give it like that naturalish look. So I'm doing this lightly, not like super heavy.
It might not be assured, but it is desired by both of us. Though, arguably, you know much less about Francis's desires than I do. What we had was true. Passion. Love. Intimacy. It was not manufactured out of a perceived political need. You've been gone a very long time. Things have changed. Perhaps. Or perhaps, now that I'm here, offering myself as an option. You'll choose to be with me. Once again. Before Mary's letters to her mother are posted when I'm to me, and that way I can improve upon her stay at court.
Well, my favorite mascara. This is one of my favorites. I think this will be my all-time favorite. It used to be the Lash Growth one that was in the green tube back a long time ago by Revlon or L'Oreal. I think it was L'Oreal. And it really worked. I don't know why they discontinued it or if they maybe repackaged and I never really realized, but yeah. And then what was my favorite one? I think it was a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Push-Up Lash. Those ones were really good. But I'm kind of running out of it. I still use it a little bit, but I think I'm running out. That's why I need to do a little shopping for new mascara. I think I bought a new mascara, but it hasn't not been delivered yet. The Summer Fruit by NYX Butter Gloss. I'm going to go in with that, and then I'm just going to take this Hermine. This is like a lip oil. It has argan oil and vitamin E, which is good for keeping the lips like supple too. So I'm just gonna hit that over. So I decided to take down the shine. I feel like for this look, I really thought that I wanted like a high gloss shine. I really did enjoy that lip look that I did on my last makeup video. But I kind of feel like just like a stained lip with this look is a little bit better. And I kind of feel like I didn't want that super pop color on the lip. I just really wanted to stay like this. So what do you think? I feel like this here is more of my flow. Okay, so I'm back. You might hear the girls in the back. They're super excited because we are going to be going to the drive-in. So we literally bought so much snacks. We went to like the 99-cent store. I think it's the Dollar Tree. We went to the Dollar Tree. And so we went and got a bunch of snacks, candy, chips, waters, and then we got the Crystal Lights to pour into the water bottles. And that way we'll just have something like convenient to use. But yeah, so we're going to go do that. And so in the meantime, right now, our movie starts at 7:55, 6:33. So I'm going to refresh my makeup for a couple minutes, which really just me putting some setting spray on. I'm actually really excited because I get to see the brand new Batman. All right, guys, so I'm going to go in with the Radiant and let that settle in. Definitely love a NYX setting spray. So I have the Radiant and I also have the matte ready to get going, and I'm really loving my makeup for today. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Peace.